Okay guys, welcome back. I'm on to Walmart today again. I got the little haulin 64. The you can see my reflection on the plastic. When I need it for this case as well. It's a heavy casting as well. All I need is Mega Rex, Raphael, Rhinomite, and that's it, and I have them all. Name Little Haulin 64, truck type hauler, strength hefty hauler, crash attack, the Crash Express. Pretty cool. Go and open it. Here it is. Ooh, I like how it feels. Here it is, guys. Little haulin 64. Those white rims and beadlocks are really cool. Little haulin 64. The baby blue color. There's a lights up their Hot Wheels. See-through grill and windshield. Headlights. Some little lights down here. The exhaust ports right here. Little haulin 64. It has chains in the back, which is really cool. Oh, this actually moves. No, it doesn't move. Black chassis, silver. No, black roll cage, silver chassis, truck detail. Nothing on the back. So this is metal and this is plastic. This part right here. Hot Wheels on the side. Hot Wheels monster trucks on the side. That's all I got today. Like, subscribe, comment, share. You have more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.